Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bear drawing easy. First, let's simplify the bear's form into basic shapes. Start by sketching a large oval for the body and a slightly smaller circle for the head. Position the head circle above and slightly overlapping the body oval. This foundational step helps establish the bear's overall structure and proportions, making the subsequent details much easier to add. Now let's refine the bear's proportions and add its limbs. Connect the head and body with a gentle, curved line to form the neck. For the legs, think of them as strong, slightly tapered cylinders. Sketch 2 front legs and 2 back legs, ensuring they appear grounded and balanced. Remember, bears have powerful limbs, so make them look substantial. It's time to bring our bear to life with facial features and fur. Place 2 small, rounded ears on the upper sides of the head. Then, draw a prominent muzzle and a dark, triangular nose. For the fur, use many short, slightly wavy lines following the contours of the body. This technique adds depth and realism, making your bear look soft and cuddly. For the final touches, carefully erase any initial sketch lines that are no longer needed. Then, enhance your drawing with some light shading. Consider where light would hit the bear and where shadows would naturally fall, especially under the chin and limbs. This adds a three-dimensional quality. Also, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.